Hello, K. Jolie, Crochet Basics. This is a preview vlog, whips and stuff like that, crochet chat that I've been doing. This is number 10, so I'm trying not to break the chain, even though I'm so tired today and I have such a headache. I was running around all day and stuff like that. So, this one's going to be a short one because I do have a headache. And, let's see. Where am I at? I was thinking whips. Really is because I have a tendency, like I didn't realize this, I mean, like I know I do it, but I didn't really realize, like it didn't register in my brain, that I have a tendency of putting whips aside for a really long time. And sometimes I just never get back to them, and it's like a year or 2 years, like I'll come across like half of the pattern, and I'm like, oh, what the heck happened here? And so I decided I was going to make a deal with myself. I'd say a promise to myself, but really a deal with myself is a bit better, I think. So for every like new pattern that I come up with, like finish and stuff like that, that I would go back to a whip that I have to get done, you know. So I'm going to work up another character, and I started working it up, and I said, wait a second. I said, I still have Boots sitting here, and I realized that Boots is sitting there since October. Okay, and it was in a few of my videos and whatever, and I'm like, I don't even know why I didn't get back to it. Most of it's done. The tail is inside. He just needs his detailing and his bits and bobs and stuff. So if I just finished the Barry. The pattern's up on my Etsy's, Kif's up on my Etsy's. I said, but you know what? This will be my the first whip that I go back to and fix up and stuff like that, as far as, you know, getting on that stuff. And I really haven't been editing other videos. It's kind of like what I was saying, like I don't know, one of the other vlogs that I did. I was saying, like, you know, it's what it is it's so easy to do a vlog. You turn the camera on, you start talking, and it's very minimal editing and stuff like that. It's not like editing when I edit the patterns and I sit there and I type each line of the pattern, you know. It's a lot of typing and a lot of editing and stuff like that. So that's like, you know, so I need to get back to that and figure like a different way of doing it that's more efficient, like less time consuming, because it does take a lot of time. I could put anywhere from, like, say 5 to 20 plus hours in to one pattern video, and that sounds like a lot, and it is a lot, you know, to me, depending on the pattern. And some patterns, like the backpack pattern, that took me a long time to edit because it was so much footage that I had filmed almost every single stitch of the whole bag. So that one took like a long time. And I still have a whole bunch of footage that I'm like, should I just, you know, make a little bits and bobs video and stuff like that, you know? So I keep thinking about that. But I need to put that away and be done with it already. I don't know what else, really. Just got to get the whips done because this is like out of control with my whips sitting around. But I think that's it for this vlog. I really didn't have like much to say other than, like, you know, with the whips and stuff like that. And that just, you know, I had a headache from running around today and not eating. I totally like didn't eat like almost all day. So, anyway. Thank you so much for watching, as always. Happy hooking, because it keeps you off the streets and it keeps you out of trouble and looking super cool to all your friends and everybody you meet. And I'll be back real soon, number 10 on the vlog train, and I'll be back real soon with my next tutorial and or vlog or pattern or whatever it'll be. Alright, so K. Jolie, Crochet Basics. Have a super duper great day, night, evening, whatever it is. Take care now. Bye.